Okay, welcome to Interior Walls Framing. I wanted to make a little caveat here. When you have, remember this is concrete or slab flooring in here in the garage. Whenever you have slab flooring, and it usually occurs either, on a poured slab floor when you put framing in, we have to add pressure treated lumber anytime we have that concrete. Just like we did the stem walls. Just like we did the stem walls, you have to have pressure treated wood over concrete slab. So we call these floating walls. If they're not structural, these are floating walls. So we'd have to add, when we're doing these walls, we'd have to add 14 feet of bottom plate, pressure treated, plus another 6 foot, which it actually changes. It's over here. It ends up being 5 foot out. Gil, if you get that when you're reviewing this, you'll notice it's 5 feet out, and then it comes all the way across. Which is about 8 feet off of 22, so that's 14 feet. So we'll have a total of 14 feet, which is exactly what you have here from this corner over, and that'll all be pressure treated lumber here and here, and then this interior wall here, all pressure treated lumber, just on the bottom plate though. So 2x4 pressure treated lumber, and that should be added into this interior walls. So let's just do this. We're going to add it here. Add pressure treated 2x4 for slab walls in the garage. And this is used, we use these in basements, on a main level. If it was poured in place foundation with slab on grade, we would use it then. So we always have pressure treated then. We also need spikes, and use spikes for floating walls. Spikes for floating walls, and they're just they're 8-inch steel spikes, small box. Okay, so we'll add that up. So the pressure treated lumber, we'll just go to the Home Depot website real quick, and let's go to 2x4 pressure treated, and it'll bring up your pressure treated. And here we go. Here's pressure treated lumber right here. Let's click on that. This is how you can check your pricing real quick. So 2x4 by 8 foot, $4.27. Okay, and then that's redwood, weather shield. No, it's all redwood. But anyway, so $5 for a 2x4 by 8. We'd need a couple of 3 of them or something. So we'll just say $5. $5 per 2x4. 2x4 by 8. Then we'd need 3 of those, right? 3. So $15. Done. Then small spikes. Have just spikes on here. So let's just go 8-inch spikes. Spikes. This is how you can just get a quick reference for your spikes. So these come in a $64 box. So we'll just have to buy a box, and they'll last us for quite a few houses. So then we'll just go back here. We'll say $65, so $70 with tax. There you go. So that's a little caveat. Anytime you have PT lumber on interior walls that are across slab, like in a garage, or a poured slab foundation on a main level, or almost always in a basement, you have this issue where you have to add for the pressure treated floating walls. And then you also have, another plate. So then you still have your 3 plates above that as well. You have your bottom plate and then your double top plate after you float your walls with the pressure treated. So it ends up having 2 bottom plates, 1 pressure treated, and 2 top plates. I hope that makes sense. I hope this has been informative, and we'll see ya on the next one.